How you're going to make thousands of dollars using Russia sanction. Hey there, I hope you're doing well. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I would like you to give this video a thumbs up so it will spread to more awesome people just like you. The Western world has blocked Russia away from SWIFT. SWIFT simply means the Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunications, basically an operating system for central banks all around the world. This means that Russia's central bank cannot do financial dealings with the rest of the world. In response to this, Putin has banned Russian banks and individuals from sending money out of Russia. With this, Russians will start looking for alternatives to transact business with outside world. With Russia being cut out of SWIFT and their government banning them from transactions, sending financial transactions out of the country or into the country, they are going to piggyback off to cryptocurrency because Russians are very good at Bitcoin and a lot of them mine Bitcoin. The population of Russia is about 144 million. Now, if an island with population of 11 million can affect the price of Bitcoin, because you have to understand that Bitcoin price rises by the laws of demand and supply. When the demand is much greater than the supply, the prices are going to go up. The demand is much lower than the supply, prices will go down. If you're having a large country like Russia with over 144 million piggybacking onto Bitcoin train, is going to have a very upward effect on price of Bitcoin. So investing in cryptocurrency, more especially Bitcoin, is one of the ways you are going to make thousands of dollars from the Russia-Ukraine crisis. If you want more of this video, let me know in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so it will spread to more awesome people just like you. Till next time I see you again, peace out.